In this video, I'll show you how to create a record type in Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon in the top right corner, select Open Advanced Setup, and then search for Object Manager. Next, select the object where you want to create the record type, such as Account, Opportunity, or Case. For this tutorial, you can choose any object you need. The process is the same. After opening the object, click on Record Types from the left sidebar, and then click New Record Type. Now enter the record type label and record type name. If needed, you can also select an existing record type to clone its settings. Next, set the record type to Active, assign it to the appropriate user profiles, and then click Next. On the following screen, choose the page layout you want to use for this record type. Finally, click Save to create the new record type. And that's how you can create a record type in Salesforce CRM.